We're walking. Hi, baby David. Enjoy walking. Enjoy the weather. Enjoy springtime or the nature. Para healthy, be. Walking tayo. Mga ilang minuto. Kasi for the good health and para pumayat tayo, be. So yan, let's go walking. Sana pumayat ako ng mga 20 para bumalik ako sa 120 o kaya 115. Ay, hindi pala. Sobrang payat pala 115. 120 lang. 120. Tara. Ko na siya. Murang-mura sa murang halaga. Divisoria. Sa murang halaga, Divisoria. Joke lang. Baby David, David, you're so cute. Enjoy. Ang ganda nito, be, but I'm going to avoid so much videos kasi wala ka mag-recover pa. Wala ka mag-concentrate in walking. You need to concentrate in walking, monkey. Wait. David will see the nature. Tsaka, we have to be habulin yung time kasi he just finished his milk. Tapos after 2 hours, iiyak ulit siya for another milk. So, mayroon kang time ngayon. Kailangan magmadali. Diba? Trees. Wala na yung dito. There used to be cherry blossoms. Be, ito yung cherry blossoms na nagpicture tayo. Bilis siya nawala, no? Buti na lang nakapapicture that day. Parang walang nangyari, parang hindi nang anak. Ganyan tayo, be. Murang halaga. Okay. Hindi kasi bagay sa akin yung pointed, so yan na lang, brown. Are you enjoying? 30 minutes na tayo naglalakad, be. Okay, this is very healthy and therapeutic. Look at the weather. It's so great. Masarap niya, hindi siya pressure kagaya ng exercise. Alam mo yung kilala ko, be. All the time siyang naglalakad. Kahit yung mother-in-law ko. Tapos yung pastor dito, tsaka yung partner niya. Alam mo, ang papayat nila, be. Healthy, fit. Kaya gawin natin yan. Sana, kahit 15 minutes lang ako or 30 minutes. Kasi hindi ako na-stress mag-exercise. Walking lang talaga. Okay, let's enjoy the weather and the nature. Let's count. Look. No, let it stay so that we can see that it's really 6. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can I see? Make it here, Hadassah. Ching. Oh, small tiny leaf. Wow, congratulations. Do you like it?
Yeah.
It's a blessing. Or good luck. Now, good luck. Love you.
Love you.
Ah, you woke up na. Drink milk already so that hindi ka papayat, be. Parang pumapayat. Kasi sa sobrang antok ko, imbis na 2 hours papainumin ko ng gatas, be, nagigising ako 3 to 4 hours na. Hindi, joke lang. We have to wake up every 2 hours. O kaya 3 hours. Pwede rin 3 hours kapag ka sobrang antok. Minsan madali lang naman eh. Lalo pagka breast milk o kaya... Hi, cutie pie! Love you. Ano kaya no, buong 12 up to 6, 7 a.m. ka na nagising. Hindi mo napakain. Tagalog to para. Hindi ko siya in English. Para tayo lang nakakaintindi. Meron no. Ay, baby! Eat na eat. Di ba nag-walking tayo kanina? We did walking healthy, right? Grabe ba, hindi siya 15 minutes. It was 55 minutes. It's so cool, fun. Maganda pala walking. Ayoko na mag-exercise, walking na lang. Up to 30 minutes lang ako, be. Mahirap din ang isang oras, ang layo eh. Kapagod. Pag exercise naman, sus, pagod na pagod ako, be. Okay, ako na natin. Magluto ako ngayon ng langka. Since na discover ko na merong langka in a, can. Tapos, sinigang, parang langka na, alam niyo na. Tsaka may langka at tsaka, ako gata, coconut milk. Next, naman, Friday or Thursday ko siya lutuin or next week. Okay, we love you. Pakainin ko muna si baby David before magluto ng hapunan. Before we cook dinner, he will eat first milk. Drink milk. Love you. Take care, everyone. We love you. Mwah. I forgot this bed. This is part of her birthday gift. It's a keychain. It's so cute because she loves cats. Hannah, do you like the cat?
Yeah, I'm looking at all
Okay. And Hadassah is requesting for a keychain too. Hadassah, what keychain do you like for your birthday? Ha? Uy, kawawa yung babae, be. Iniwan siya ng asawa niya. May baby siya. Ang hirap daw mag-alaga ng baby, tas walang asawa. Kawawa, no? Tapos sabi niya wala siyang gatas. Sabi ko, naku po, wala siya masyadong makain. Wala masyadong makain yung baby. So, nag-message ako, kailangan uminom siya maraming liquid. Kapag kabuntis ka, Ben, you need a lot more milk. You have to drink a lot of liquid. Kasi sa atin, ang paniniwala, in Philippines, some people are advising us to drink, ay, sadali lang, to eat a lot of papaya. But here, I'm surprised because they're advising girls, the one that's the new new moms to drink a lot of liquid, a lot of water because water is healthy. It makes your breast milk many too. And aside from that, oatmeal, fenugreek if you have, but oatmeal talaga kasi yung fenugreek sometimes in Amazon you can order it online or any stores ganon. But the oatmeal, it's accessible, diba? It's easy to have. Then especially yung water, the water will make your breast milk so many. So yun. Ano yun, Hadassah?
Can I take
Kitchen.
stickers?
Okay, 3 stickers. She likes 2. 3 stickers for Hannah and Hadassah kasi I was about to put that on a ball pen. Tapos, ganun. Kaya lang, nakalimutan ko na bisa sobrang inarush. So, hindi ko nalagay sa mga ball pen, tsaka notebook. Bibigyan ko sana siya from Syria. Yun, para may Uy, nakakatuwa si Mariel. Sabi niya, it's much better to be practical before parang sa status daw, business class. Pero kapag nanay ka na kasi or you're more responsible in thinking about life and being like frugal or being not expensive or not wasting a lot of money, some people would be much more practical, but mostly moms are the ones that are practical. I'm not saying that the ones that are not practical it's a choices naman yun, pero may mga tao talaga na lalo pag may anak ka na kasi iniisip mo na yung mga bata, yung ganun, marami kang iniisip, yung mga future, yung para sa kanila paano na ganito ganyan. So mas practical. So, yun. Hindi sila business class. So, economy yung binayaran niya sa airplane. Hindi mo na kailangan isipin yung status. Kasi kapag oldie na, kunyari, ngayon kasi ako pagka medyo mature na.
Mama, I got them based on the seasons. This one is a summer cat.
Cute.
This one is the spring cat.